Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important this body is design, and this body is a bolt design. Okay, and this is isometric view is also available here, and this is a front view and this is a top view, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and guys, this is a isometric view and this is a final product is designed, and you can see here easily, and this is a front view and this is a right view, and both is a 2D drafting, and this body is a drawing help of this 2D drafting. Okay, and this is a bolt design is very important. This is looking perfect, and okay guys, this body is looking perfect, and this is a very nice looking here, and this use a thread, and this body is drawing, and this also use a fillet. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and material, and this material is a chrome plate. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily. Okay, this part is a new part is created here at first, and some setting very important. Going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, very high, and this body is looking perfect, and this plain white. Okay, all is perfect, and this setting this this unit is a millimeter gram second. Okay, double M gs, and all is perfect. Okay, this is a drawing very nice, and at first drawing this is a length is 32 millimeter, and this distance is 10 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter, and radius is 3 millimeter and 7 millimeter, and this distance is 7 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, at first plane is created here, this front plane, and drawing a line is this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and drawing a line is a this, and this line is a perfect, and okay, this is a drawing a arc created here easily, and again drawing a arc because this is a arc is very nice, this is a very useful, and drawing a center line. Okay, and use this is a straight line is created here. Okay, and this is a vertical line and horizontal line, and not relation anyone, and this is use this and use a connect to this. Okay, and this line to meet this is a connect each other. Okay, all is perfect, and this point and center point is a coincident. This is a okay, and all is perfect, and some dimension is a drawing here. Okay, and okay, and mention any dimension is this is a radius 7. Okay, and this is a radius 3 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, this is a radius 7 millimeter and this is a radius 3, and this distance is r. Okay, this is a length is a, okay, one point is a, this is a tangent, because this is also tangent, and use a, okay, and select this is a 5. Okay, and use this is a, okay, and this length is 5 and this length is 5 and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and use this center point to this. Okay, okay, this length is perfect, and this length is okay. Okay, this length to this is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and this length to this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and use this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, this is use a 32 millimeter. This is a perfect. Okay, this use a 32 millimeter, this to this. Okay, this distance is a 32 millimeter, and okay, this is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect, and select this. Okay, this bolt distance is 32 millimeter, and select okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and use this revolve boss and click this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this bolt is ready, and this distance is also perfect. And some important point is discuss here, and this use a chamfer is a 0.5 multiply 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is radius 0.5 millimeter, and this thread is a, and this chamfer is also 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this distance, and this is a correct, and this is a offset, this thread is offset, and okay, the offset is perfect, and 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and 1, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and at first fillet is 0.5 is this, and click OK, and okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is chamfer is used 0.5 45 degree angle, and use a chamfer 0.5 and 45 degree angle, and use this to this, both is a, select here and click OK. Okay, this is perfect, and also chamfer is used here, and 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, select this and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is a use here this length is a, thread is a, this is a 30 is distance, and this offset is 3. Okay, M size is a M7 30 millimeter. Okay, this pitch is 30 millimeter, and okay, this pitch is 1 millimeter, because some M7 and pitch is a 1 millimeter, and this is offset. Okay, this is a perfect, and click a thread is used, okay, M7 and multiply 1 millimeter. Okay, and click okay. This is a perfect, and this distance is a 30 millimeter and offset is 1 millimeter and direction is okay. This is a perfect. Offset is a 3 millimeter and direction is perfect, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, this is a 30 is better, 30, and okay, but some point is a this is a 2 millimeter is also better. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, and 3 is nice. Okay, and this is a 3 millimeter is offset, and this distance is a thread length is 30 millimeter. Okay, and metric to die better, metric to die is perfect, and M7 multiply 1 is pitch and M7 is size, and this is a cut thread is okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Some little time is spent here because this thread is active, is working, and okay, this is a perfect. This thread is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect, and material is apply here. This is a chrome, this is metal is this chrome is select here, and this body is perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and isometric view is also better, and this is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, all is correct, and all is perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And guys, today discuss here a gland design, and gland design is a part of this gate wall project, and this gland design is a part of this all gate wall project, and this is a final assemble of gate wall project, and this part is a gland design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And this today drafting is also available here. This is a front view, this is a right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all parts is a one by one is learn here, and how to this parts is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this is a body is designed easily and clearly. This is a gland design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is isometric view is also this, and this is a back side is also, this is a very nice looking here, and isometric view. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is a learner, and this is a plain white, and going to this option, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, And guys, at first select a plane. Plane is a, this is a right plane is better. And okay, this is a correct. And at first drawing a this line, and this line is a distance is 9 mm, and this center, at first drawing a center line, and this body is a revolve, and center line is distance is a 9 mm, and this is a 4 mm, and this is a 2 mm, and 7 mm is perfect, and this is a 6.83 mm. Okay, at first drawing a center line is drawing here this, and select this line and select a point, a midpoint. Okay, line is this drawing a 9 mm is better, this is a distance is better, and select a line is this drawing a, select geometries, draw here, connect to this, and this to this to this, and connect to this. Okay, this to this, and some dimension is a draw here. This center is a 9 mm and then 4 mm. Okay, at first drawing this to this is a 9 mm. Okay, okay, this is a drawing angle, and this is delete here, and at first select this is a line is a horizontal, and drawing this line, select this point, and this point is a horizontal, and then this point also, this point is a horizontal because this is a perfect, and this delete here. Okay, this is a better, and drawing this dimension is a this 9 mm is perfect, and also this is a 7 mm is, and this is a 4 mm. Okay, okay, and select this point to this is a 2 mm. Okay, and this line is select here, this is a 6.83 mm. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all dimension is a okay, okay, all geometries, all dimension is mentioned here, and okay, this is a perfect, and this is this center point to this distance is radius is 9 mm, and then this 18 mm is diameter, and also this is the same here, but this is a looking perfect, then all is you can see here, and this is a 8 mm diameter, this is a 4 mm is radius is perfect, this is same here, and this radius is 7 mm, and then diameter is 14 mm is same here, and this distance is a 2.17, and 6.83 is total is 9 mm, and this is a explain all point is learn here, then all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, all geometry is a draw here, and select a feature, and revolve boss base, and this axis is a automatic select here, and this line is select here, and this axis is select here, and this body is a revolve, and say click OK, and perfect, and going to this appearance is a polished brush, and this is a perfect and correct, and this gland body is designed easily and clearly. Isometric view is also this. Okay, all point is learned here, and okay, next lecture is coming soon, and next part is a drawing here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a pipe nipple and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all 2D drafting is available here. And this is a isometric view, and this project is a hydraulic pump project, and all parts is a one by one is drawing here, and last is a all parts is a assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is 2D drafting is available here. And this is this lecture is very important for a beginner or student. Okay, and okay, this project is very important, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a pipe nipple, and okay, this is a cutout is very useful. And okay, and this hexagon is drawing here, and this is a cutout, and this body is very nice looking here. And how to this body is designed and all process is learned here one by one. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first select a part, and going to some setting is very important, because okay, and some setting is very important, because this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and all okay, and all point is setting here a very important. And at first select this all detail is you can see here on the screen. Okay, this front is a plane is select here. A front plane is better. At first select here, and this is a drawing a circle is 19 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is this, and select a mid plane. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane and drawing a circle. Okay, this is circle is drawing here easily. And okay, and this diameter is a 19 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And use a extrude boss, and at first select a mid plane, because this is a very important point, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select this face sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is drawing here this plane, this point, and drawing this. Okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line. This is a very important point. Okay, this line is horizontal. Okay, and next is use this point, and this point is select here, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 25 millimeter. This okay, and this cutout is does drawing a circle, and circle is this distance is a 1.5. Okay, and select a extrude boss base, and select a mid plane. Okay, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, this is a not drawing is better, this face, but select a plane. Okay, and this is a control. Okay, this exit here, and control Z is some point is edit here. Okay, this is a not select this face, and select a use a front plane because this is a middle, and a sketch normal, and hexagon is drawing this. Okay, and select this line and horizontal. Okay, and drawing this 2 point or 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And going to extrude boss base is apply here, and this use a mid plane, and this a 5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, because this dimension is a 5 millimeter is this is use a mid plane. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, next is this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle because this is a cutout is this, and smart dimension is used here, and select this point, and this line and this line is distance between 1.5 millimeter. 1.5 millimeter. This is a perfect 1.5 millimeter is perfect. And use a extrude cut, and through all is better, and select OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a perfect. This is use a fillet, and 1 millimeter is radius, and this is a use a chamfer is this 0.5 and 45 degree angle. Use a fillet. Fillet is a 1 millimeter is this, and select both side. At first this, and select this. Both side is perfect and correct. Okay, and again select use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this inside. This inside is a okay, this is not inside is perfect. Delete here. Select upper line this, and select this. Both line is select here, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Next point is all point is perfect, and the next point is some cutting is a thread, and thread is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. And this use a 2 millimeter is pitch, and this is a half is a 4.75 millimeter, and this is a full is a 9.5 millimeter, and this is a 70 degree angle. Okay, at first select this face sketch, and select this upper line, and use a convert entities. Okay, and exit, and and use a helix and spiral. Okay, this is perfect and correct. And going to this pitch and revolution and constant pitch. Okay, and this pitch is 2 mm is perfect, and direction is reverse direction, because this direction is change here, and this is a reverse is better. And this revolution is a 4.75 mm is multiplied to, and 9.5 mm is this. This is a half of this, and this is a use a 4.75 mm is this, and start angle is 0 degree and clockwise. All is perfect, and this is a okay. Click here. Okay. Okay, all is perfect. And select a right plane. Okay, select a right plane and sketch normal, or drawing a okay, drawing a thread, and select this and this, drawing a okay. Okay, all is perfect. Again, drawing a center line, select this point to this, because this line is a horizontal, this is a vertical line. Okay. Okay, and smart dimension is this use here. Dimension is this is a 70, this is 70 degree. Okay, all point is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is okay, this is a this cutout is 1 mm is this. This distance is a 1 mm. Okay, and this distance is 1 mm, and this is a angle is 70 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This point is drag here, this okay. Okay. Okay, this use exit and going to sweep cut, and sweep cut is this is a profile is select here, automatic here, and this select a path. Okay, and path is a okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a okay, this is cutout is very important. Okay, and this line is hide, because this body is a this thread cutting is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, and going to this is a front plane. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, both side is cutting here easily. Okay, and going to okay. This all point is learn here easily and clearly, and all point is discussed here one by one, and material is apply here, and going to this metal, and metal is this nickel is used here, and this is a use, and all point is a perfect and correct. And isometric view, and okay, all point is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a part 11, and this is a lathe machine base and how to this body is designed. And this part is a lathe machine base, and all view is you can see here on the screen. And this project is a base wise lathe machine, and how to at first drawing a one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is a all body is assemble here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and all view and all geometry is all geometry and all dimension you can see here on the screen is easily and clearly learn here, and how to use this dimension and this body is created here easily and clearly. And guys, this is this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student. And guys, this is all dimension in inch. Okay, and some missing point is some missing point is also available here, and this video is a full. Okay, this video is a see a full videos, because some mistake point is discussed here also. Full video is a you can see here. Okay guys, this body is a okay, this is a drawing of this part, and how to this part is a one by one point is discussed here. And this all dimension is a use, and first to last is a this video is so see here, because one by one easily, and all parts is drawing here. Okay, this is isometric view, and okay, this is a back side is also perfect and correct. Okay guys, this body is a drawing easily, and one by one all point is discussed here. Okay guys, okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to this part, and some setting is very important. Plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high, because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And at first this unit setting is a inch pound second IPS, and okay, all is perfect. This window surface is a design available here, applicable here. Okay guys, at first drawing this created here, length is this at first drawing this is a thickness is 7.25 inch, and this length is a 2.75 inch, and this width is a and height is a 1.56 inch. And okay, drawing okay, plane is select here, because this is a maximum drawing this, and front plane is select a better, and select a front plane drawing this center rectangle. This is a corner rectangle is select here, and okay, this and this point, and press a control button, and this line is select here, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and define a dimension. Dimension is this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is height, and width is a 1.56 inch. Okay, this is a per and this is a 1.56 inch. Okay, because this is a large dimension is put here, because 1.56 inch is perfect, and going to extrude boss is apply here, and this is a mid plane is select here, and this is a 7.25 is thickness, and perfect drawing here. And okay, this thickness is a 7.25 inch perfect. Okay, and okay, and midpoint is a perfect. Select here. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and material is apply here, and going to this appearance and metal, and this is a going to nickel, and polish nickel is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and next is a this and this is a select this okay, and select here back side sketch normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and okay, this okay guys, this point is a drawing this and drawing this point. This is a distance is 1.25 inch, and this height is 1.75 inch. Okay, and this center is a 1 point, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this center distance is a 1.19 inch, and drawing this body, this part. Okay, and okay, or draw here this. Okay, and draw a line is select here, or draw a line is created here. Okay, and this line. Okay, and this is a this and this is a this to this. Okay, perfect is correct, and this point select this line is a relation is tangent. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and dimension is define here this is a 1.38. okay, and this distance is a 1.75 inch. 1.75 inch perfect, and this length is a 1.25 inch. Okay, and this distance is a okay some okay, and this is a delete here and drag this okay, and this is a horizontal, and this define this point, and this line is a this is a 1.19 inch. 1.19 inches. Okay, all is a fully defined sketch here. Okay, this distance is a all this dimension is looking here 1.75 inch, and 1 point this center is a 1.19 inch, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and going to this extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this use a okay, and this is a up to okay, going to up to surface is perfect, and up to surface is perfect. Okay, all is correct and perfect. Okay, okay, this is isometric view. Okay, correct here. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is this face sketch here. Okay, next part is created here. This is this dimension is used here. This is a 2.25 full. Okay, and this is a drawing here. This is a 0.69 inch, and this is a 2.25 inch perfect. And okay, drawing here this face sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this drawing this line is a click here at this point. Okay, and some point is a okay. Okay, this point is this okay. Okay, this point is distance is a 2 point. Okay, at first drawing a center line, and center line is this drawing to this, and this distance is a this is a 2.25. okay, and this is a 2.25 is perfect, and also this line is created here, and this is a and select this line, and this point is a line is select here and created this okay, and select this geometry is created here, and this is a okay, and okay, draw a okay, okay, draw this okay, drawing this and this is this okay, and a curve is drawing here this, and created this and this point to and connect to this okay, okay, and this is perfect, and this line and this line okay, this line is a collinear and also a equal. Okay, this is a perfect relation, and both line is a collinear and equal is perfect relation is correct, and okay, and select this and okay, next point is a define this radius. This radius is a 0.69, and this line to this distance is a 2.19. okay, all is this okay, and this is a perfect drawing here mention this all is correct here okay, and okay, and this line is created here this is a distance is a 2.25 and 2.19, and this is a 0.69 is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here and all is correct, and going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is only this is a okay, and extrude boss is this is a created here 5 inch, and going to this up to offset from surface is this okay, all is perfect, and 5 inch and offset from surface is correct. Okay, and okay, okay, this part is a drawing here this, and okay, and drawing here okay, and this is a base, and this face some color is a okay, and this okay, and this body is a color here. A body is looking perfect, and going to this and select a painted, and this is a red color, and this face is also this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This body is created here, and next is drawing this and next part is drawing this select this back side and sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this part is drawing here easily, and this part is one by one is created here. Okay, at first drawing this center line and going to this okay, and at first drawing this center line is created here. This center line is this select mid line, and also this center line is this. Okay, okay, this is a construction line. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is this circle is this is a select here and connect to this okay point, and connect to line is this mid point to this. Okay, and trim this extra portion is delete here. Circle is a drawing here this circle. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 1.13 inch is perfect, and this dimension is a 0.31 inch. Okay, this is a 0.3 inch is perfect, and okay, and this is a, and this distance is a, this bottom is, this distance is a 2 inch. Okay, and this distance is upper is a 2.5 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. This is a drawing this part. This distance is a 2.5 inch, and this is a big radius is a 1.13 inch, and this a small circle is a, this is a 0.31 inch, and this distance is a 2 inch. All is perfect drawing here. Okay, and select this and all is fully defined because all is black color, and this is a going to extrude cut. Extrude boss is a this and direction is a reverse, and this is a okay, and this is a perfect and this some a little point 0.5 inch is better. Okay, all is correct. This thickness is a 0.5 is perfect. Okay, and select this extrude and going to this color and painted is perfect. Okay, and guys, all point is a mirror, and going to this select a plane is a right plane is better, and X mirror, and going to this is mirror here, and okay, and next is also mirror here. This select a front plane is better, and this a mirror, and drawing this select this select a mirror is both part is a one time is mirror here. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect drawing here, and select this okay, and next part is this is a and cutout is perfect, and select here this. Okay, next part is this going to a cutout. Cutout is this portion is cut out, and this is a 1 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch, and this is a 1.06 inch, and this is a 1.69 inch. This portion is cut out here. Okay, this face sketch normal, drawing this line, drawing this, and this line is a select here, this portion is cut out, connect to this, drawing this geometry. At first drawing this 3 line. Okay, select drawing this center line is at first drawing a center line, because this center line is very important, and drawing a 3 line is going to this symmetric, and also this line is a drag here, this line is also, this 3 line is a symmetric. Okay, and both is a symmetric and both is a symmetric here, and define a dimension. This is a 1 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 1.69 inch, this, and 1.06 inch, 1.69 inch, 1.69 inch is perfect, and this is a drawing here this 1.06 inch. Okay, and this line is this line, and press a control button, and this line is going to, okay, and this line, and press a control button, select this line, and this is a collinear. Okay, all is fully defined because all is black color, and all is perfect, 1.25 and 1 inch, and 1.06 inch, and 1.69 inch, and all is fully defined. Okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is this is a extrude cut is a through all. Okay, connect to this is not okay, and okay, but this is not, this is delete, this portion is delete here, and a sketch line, connect to this to this to this is a connect here. Okay, and extrude cut. Okay, this is a okay, this portion is also okay, extrude cut through all, and this is a okay, this extrude cut is a very important cutting here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and perfect. And next is select this face, normal, going to this whole wizard, and whole wizard is this, and this is a very important. Select this state tab, and this is a inch, and bottoming tapered hole is perfect, and select a size is 1/420 is perfect. Select here, this is a 1/420, and this is a blind, and this is a 0.63 is perfect, and this is a thread is a 0.5 is perfect, and this blind and 0.63, and position. Okay, select here this and going to center line. A center line is a drawing here. Okay, center line is this is center line, is vertical line. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this is a okay, and this point is very important, and define a dimension. Dimension is this point, and this line is a 0.75 inch. Okay, and this point is not mentioned here, but this is a very important, and this point and this line is a 1 inch. Okay, this distance is 1 inch and this is a 0.75 inch, and this is a mirror here, a same here, and going to mirror and select this point, and this is a line. Okay, about this, and select this, and okay, and this preview is showing here this perfect, and click OK. This is a better, and going to this document properties and detailing and set cosmetic thread, check here, and then all this is a thread is a showing here is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and the next part is select here this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is this center line is this. Okay, drawing this portion is a cutout, and cutout is this, and okay, and this is a 0.56 is better. This diameter is this is a 0.56. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is this, and apply here up to next is perfect, and select up to next is this, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. Drawing here, and select a chamfer, and chamfer is a 0.075 inch, and 45-degree angle is select here this, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and click and select this face, and drawing this, and sketch this face, sketch, and select this inner line, and this is going to vertex, because this is a use of thread, and this is a created a thread is very important, and going to helix and spiral, and helix and a spiral is a click here, and then this at first going to this height and pitch, and going to this is a constant pitch is click here, and this height is a 4.025 inch, and pitch is a 0.125 inch is perfect, and direction is reverse, and the start angle is 90-degree and clockwise. All value is a correct mention here, and this is a perfect, and this is a OK, and this path is a created here, and then profile is a created. At first going to select a plane, and a sketch, normal, drawing this line, drawing this profile, and going to this profile is created here. This is a okay, and profile is mentioned here this okay. Okay, and this is a delete here, and at first select this line. A profile is created here. This draw a center line, connect to this midpoint to this midpoint, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and this portion is delete here. This is a delete here. Okay, okay, and this is a very important, and dimension is mentioned here. This 0.06 inch, and this distance is a 0.08 inch. Okay, and this is a relation is delete here, and this is a this and okay, this point is this. Okay, and this is perfect. Okay, and also select this angle is a 29 degree. Okay, and select a profile. A profile distance is a this and this distance is a this is a 0.06 inch and 0.08 inch. Both is a profile distance. And okay, and okay, and select this point and press a control button and select this path and going to this. Okay, select this point and press a control button and select this path and going to this appear. This is a pierce is selected, and this is a correct. Okay, all is a perfect. Okay, and exit and going to this sweep cut. Sweep cut is automatic. A profile is selected, and this path is a select this and okay, this is a this preview is showing here. This created a thread and going to X. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this created a thread is perfect, and this line is a the hide here, and this is a perfect, and click here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect drawing, correct. Okay, okay, at first then all part is created here, and going to this sum is a fillet is used here, and then this fillet is a 0.13 inch is fillet, and this is a 0.1 inch fillet, and this use a okay, all is perfect. And this fillet is used here 0.25 inch. Okay, at first select a fillet is 0.25 inch. It's select here, and going to this side, and then this side, and this is a and this side, and all side is use a fillet is very important, because this body body looking is perfect and correct. This okay, one by one is all is selected, and click OK. Okay, this base. Okay, and next fillet is select here this 0.13 inch, select here and click this. Okay, and select this line, and select this line, and select this line. Okay, this is a okay, and okay, and this bench wise lathe machine base all fillet is used here one by one, and next fillet is used here this 0.001 inch and select this all face, back side, this face, okay. Select this face and select this face. What mention here, this is a delete here. One by one is this face is select here, and this face, and this face, and this is this face, because all point is perfect here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and select this first, second and 3, and going to this and this is a color here. Okay guys, all point is one by one is a learn here, and all point is a learn here is complete drawing this part and isometric view. Okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and okay, all point is perfect and correct drawing here. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And today discuss here some important point is discuss here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, this is a this is a 3D product is designed here, and this product is very important, and also this is a 2D drafting is available here, and all point is this is a thread is available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is easily you can see here. And guys, use this 2D drafting and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. One by one is learn here and design this body is created here easily. Okay, and this is a product is a design and how to this body is designed, and this is a looking very nice looking here, and all thread is looking here. Okay, this is a perfect okay, all is, and this is use a connecting any connecting body, and this is a very useful, and this is a use a beginner student is very important practice here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is this is a front plane, and front plane is created here, and okay, this is a perfect at first drawing this is a circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 110, and this length is 510. Okay, this circle is draw here, and this diameter is a 110, and this is a length is a extrude boss, and 510 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and some setting is important. Going to option, property, and image quality is very high, and okay, this is a perfect. And next point is a this is a cutout, and cutout is this is diameter is 82, and 82 is hole. Okay, and at first this face is selected and sketch and normal, and drawing a circle circle is this, and 82 dia is cut out. Okay, and and extrude cut is, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. And again select this face, sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and this diameter is a 145.31. okay, and this length is a 80 millimeter. okay, and this is a 145.3. okay, and again select this, and okay, this is a convert entities. okay, and this select convert entities, select this and click OK, and extrude. okay, extrude boss. And this distance is a 80 millimeter, and this is a direction is inside, and this is a 80 millimeter and direction is inside. okay, this is a perfect. okay, this is a perfect, and select this face again and sketch normal and draw a circle, and the circle is this, and this is the diameter is 98. okay, 98. okay, and this circle is a okay, and this is a 98. okay, and 98 is a this cutout, and okay, 90 is very less, 120 is okay, 120 is better, but this is a missing point. And sketch and drawing a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 60 millimeter, because this is a 60 millimeter, and this is a 120, and okay, this is a perfect. okay, all is perfect looking here, and select a this is a 70 is okay, this 70 is better, this is a perfect. And again select this plane, and plane is a select this, okay, select this to this middle, and click OK, and some mirror is this, and use this is a extrude cut, this is a okay, and this is a correct, and extrude cut is also, and click OK, this is a perfect. Hide. okay, and all point is correct, okay, all point is correct. And next is use this thread, this length is 62 millimeter, and pitch is 3 millimeter, and M27 offset is 5 millimeter is correct. okay, and this is a use a real thread, and guys, two thread is very important, and this is a real thread, and second is cosmetic thread, and this is a real thread. okay, and use this M27 multiplied 3, okay, metric tape, because this is inside is metric tape is correct. This length is 62 millimeter. Okay, and select this. Okay, and all point is correct, and click offset. Offset is 5 millimeter, and direction is upward. Okay, and this length is 62 plus 5. Okay, 67. Okay, this is a perfect, because 5 millimeter is upward, then 5 millimeter is add here. Okay, all is perfect. Metric to tape. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and this perfect looking here and correct, and this thread is used, and color is this is a some black color is looking very nice. And next is a same, use a real thread and select this. Okay, and same point is 67 metric tape, size M27 multiply 3. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and this is a direction is this is a right hand and this is a left hand, because two important point is this is a left hand because correct, and first is right hand, then second is left hand. Okay, and offset is a 5 millimeter, is direction is upward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and all point is correct, and this thread is used here, and some black color is used, and this is a perfect. Okay, and some okay, material is nickel. Nickel is polished nickel. Okay, polished nickel is also better, and this bronze is also okay. Bronze is a okay, chromium and aluminum, this is a copper and bronze. This is a brush is also this is a brush. Bronze not the correct, this is a bronze, this is a brush is a perfect. Okay, and okay, and correct, and this isometric view. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.